What if one set of skills could guarantee your energy audits actually get funded and drive real change? Now, welcome back to the channel where energy professionals level up. Today, we're jumping into the area of specialized energy auditing skills, the skills that separate the best in the industry from those who are just average. Now, if you've ever wondered why some energy audits spark investment and implementation, while others just gather dust on a shelf, this video is for you. We're going to just touch on the vital skills that every auditor must master. We're going to look at some best practices, some costly mistakes, and also I want to speak about the Investment Grade Energy Auditor certification, which is quickly becoming the gold standard for anyone serious about energy efficiency and career growth. So what are energy auditing skills and why do they matter? Well, they're a set of expert abilities that allow you to accurately analyze a building's energy usage, unearth efficiencies, and propose solutions that are based on real analysis and real data, and then crucially communicate those findings in such a way that decision makers then are willing to invest, take action, and implement those measures, those savings measures that you've advised that they take. So skills include technical know-how, understanding how HVAC, lighting, controls, and envelope systems work. Skills include the process of being able to do an energy audit effectively with a tight budget and short time frames. Also, analytical thinking is important, the ability to make sense of lots of data and building performance metrics. You need some financial acumen, the ability to calculate return on investment in several ways, payback periods, and building persuasive business cases. And then there's communication, the ability to translate complex findings into practical recommendations that move clients and investors to go forward and follow your advice. Well, why should you care? These skills set your energy audits apart, helping organizations, your clients, your industrial and commercial energy users unlock real savings, secure project funding, and reduce risk. And it's backing findings with transparent data and robust financial models. So in the age of ESG, sustainability, and rising energy costs, having a proven and trusted energy auditor certification and skills is no longer optional if you want to provide energy advice. It's becoming essential. So some key components of top-tier energy auditing skills are mastering energy auditor tools and software, the ability to be able to use advanced data loggers, infrared cameras, and in some cases apply energy modeling software in order to undertake precise analysis. It's becoming proficient in understanding energy fundamentals, energy flows, energy losses, doing Sankey diagrams, using spreadsheets, applying the energy efficiency hierarchy. And jump into the course if you haven't heard of Russell's energy efficiency hierarchy. And it's being able to accurately determine the savings from energy efficiency upgrades. It's also the ability to be able to follow a process to get to the point where you know nothing about a site to where you'll be able to confidently put forward savings recommendations that are accurate in terms of their estimated costs and benefits in a way that is fast and efficient. In terms of investment grade analysis and report writing, its ability to deliver detailed reports that quantify savings risks, and often these risks are really poorly considered, and project viability. Its ability to generate actionable recommendations linked directly to capital planning and also linked, wherever possible, to operational budgets where you can get those quick wins. And it's backing findings with transparent data and robust financial models to underpin the business case. Then there's skills around project management and stakeholder engagement. It's being able to work seamlessly with different project teams, facility managers, finances to move projects forward. The ability to facilitate workshops, undertake site walkthroughs, engage in effective conversations, and to have powerful presentations with decision makers. These are all really important skills in being able to get your advice moved forward and acted on. And then there's the ongoing role associated with, I guess, with any profession of being able to stay updated with emerging technologies, your local building codes, industry standards. Now, an important way of doing this is to pursue structured energy auditor training and certification, like the Investment Grade Energy Auditor certification that I mentioned earlier. So if you're ready to boost your skills, you might want to go and try now for free initial lessons in the Investment Grade Energy Auditor certification. Just go below this video to look at the description. Now let's look at some best practices and common mistakes in energy auditing. So best practices would involve using calibrated, up-to-date tools. A classic example is using a poorly calibrated lux meter could lead you to the totally wrong conclusions. Accurate data in means reliable savings out. Another best practice is the extent to which you can collaborate with others in the building. So not just with operators in the facility, but also with those involved in financing, the broader sustainability objectives of the organisation, so that their knowledge is crucial in helping you be able to get buy-in and identify savings recommendations that are going to work for the client that you're working with. Another area of obvious best practice is to present your findings in a language that's tailored to the audience, whether they're facility managers, finance, or leadership. What are some common mistakes? Well, it's relying on generic templates, cookie cutter auditors, without customizing them for each facility. Using generic calculations rather than really understanding what's happening and having a custom calculation that really nails down accurately the savings that will be achieved. Another common mistake is just focusing purely on technical fixes, and I know I've made this mistake. But instead of focusing on the business or operational constraints, the whole context for the audit, and that's critically important. And in the Investment Grade Energy Auditor training, we spend a lot of time talking about that business context right at the start of the course, because it's incredibly important. Another common mistake is insufficient documentation, because your claims are unsubstantiated. There's no data behind them, so they can be trusted. So why does the Investment Grade Energy Auditor certification set you apart? Now, to truly excel, you need more than just a certificate. You need real investment grade skills that prove your expertise, and proven not by taking a multiple choice exam, but by actually delivering an investment grade audit and having that thoroughly assessed by an expert energy auditor. And that's where the Investment Grade Energy Auditor certification comes in. Unlike other programs, the IGEA, Investment Grade Energy Auditor certification, it's hands-on, rigorous, and it's directly aligned with the skills that get audits funded and implemented. So don't settle for theoretical learning. The IGEA proves your ability to deliver real investment grade audits that secure funding, drive implementation, and reduce the risk for decision makers. Risk falling behind as the demand for proven energy auditors surges. Visit the Sustainability Education Academy, take your energy auditing career to the next level. Become a leader in this area. I'd love to see you in the course. Anyway, jump down, look at the description below, take some of the free sample lessons, and then decide if are you willing to put in the effort to become an investment grade energy auditor, someone that is going to really move the industry forward and give you a worthwhile and rewarding career. Great. See you later.